From beans in your coffee to cocoa, dairy, nuts and spices, these are all ingredients that many of us enjoy daily. Olam Food Ingredients, also known as OFI, works with farming communities across the globe to provide food brands with ingredients for a range of innovative products that are good for people and the world around us.
Behind millions of sips, snaps, and satisfied sighs every single day, Olam Food Ingredients, also known as OFI. You might not know it, but you've almost certainly enjoyed the ingredients they've sourced, processed in their facilities, and developed for the world's biggest food and drink brands.
You could say that we are the brands behind the brands. We are present physically in key origins of cocoa, coffee, dairy, nuts and spices across the supply chain in 50 countries.
Of course, those farmers have challenges, and in OFI, they have a partner working to help overcome them, with initiatives aimed at benefiting those across the supply chain, including those at its source.
We are sustainability experts that are embedded throughout our supply chains within rural communities. Sustainability is not just about climate, not just about the environment. We operate in farming communities where farmers don't necessarily earn an income that helps them supply food for their families, that helps them get clean drinking water, access to healthcare. So actually for us, sustainability starts with the social aspects of it.
The end result, delicious, ethically sourced products.
We try our best to be able to develop things with all our ingredients to get things that taste good, but also have a purpose to it. Taste and visual is always important for everybody, so people always eat with their eyes.
And then, of course, you eat with your mouth. And people are on quite a remarkable scale, because 1 in every 5 chocolate bars eaten anywhere in the world are made with OFI cocoa beans and products. It also supplies enough coffee beans for 90 billion cups a year, as well as 270 million bottles of spices. Helping the company achieve its sustainability ambitions are employees like Burju, working side by side with farmers.
In Côte d'Ivoire, our sustainability teams are building water wells in villages so that girls and women don't have to go and walk that long distance and carry the water back. We are working together with seasonal migrant workers in Turkey who are the driving force of the hazelnut harvest. When they come to Turkey for the harvest, kids are going to the summer schools, which OFI sustainability team builds for those children. And our customers, who are big food manufacturers and big food companies, they are supporting this cause together with us.
This is our bakery and snacks laboratory.
At their newest Customer Solutions Centre in Amsterdam, proof that top-to-bottom traceability isn't just ethical, it's efficient.
We have a big sustainability team who are really linked to our farmers in origin, so we can really get the data from the source so they can really bring this idea into life while having a storytelling behind. Whoever is asking us to develop something, they will expect speed. So we try to be agile and have speed to really deliver in the short term the best solution that we can.
Here, innovation isn't just a buzzword, it's part of the company's DNA.
You can also look at innovation on the entire supply chain. To avoid food waste, for example, there are some initiatives to reuse the cocoa shells or the nut husk. And we have, of course, teams all over the world looking for regional connections, so we can really identify which are the market trends, key trends for the consumers, so we can develop products that are fitting those trends. We can go from an almond latte mix to a cashew-based snack, or even really looking after like chocolate lovers or our coffee lovers.
And with tighter regulations around sustainability on the way, that solution-focused mindset will be vital.
I don't see it as a bad thing, because it's creating a level playing field that all of us will have to commit to. All of those ambitions that we have together should help us create that longer term supply that is so needed for our consumers as well. We would like to make sure that all farmers that we deal with across all of our supply chains prosper, like the communities as well.
OFI's purpose is to be the change for good food and a healthy future. It's not only good for our customers who are big food manufacturers, big food companies. It's also good for the people who are actually producing those products, and good for the landscapes that those products come from.